Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Duck. Today, we're going to go over the top 10 inventions that will blow your mind. Watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing inventions I've ever seen. Number 10. The third thumb. The third thumb. This is a revolutionary 3D printed extra thumb for your hand. Controlled not by your fingers but wirelessly by the pressure from your big toes. This cutting-edge project delves deep into the integral relationship between our bodies and technology. This product is a prosthetic thumb that is fixed on the opposite side of your thumb, near your pinky. Feel like a cyborg as the third thumb significantly improves your hand's dexterity, bringing you to a whole new realm of possibilities. Plus, by studying how the human brain adapts to augmentation, we can unlock the mysteries of neuroplasticity and explore how to improve the functionality and control of future prosthetic devices. So, are you ready to discover what lies beyond the limitations of your natural form? Join the revolution with the third thumb and explore the infinite possibilities of human augmentation. Number 9. Armor Brush. Next up is Armor Brush. This wonderful innovation was made with the goal of making dental hygiene a breeze. Gone are the days of manually brushing your teeth for 2 minutes, as Armor Brush does the job in just 10 seconds. This unique product comes with a mouthpiece, handpiece and toothpaste capsule. The denture-looking contraption fits snugly in your mouth and its bristles cover all areas of your teeth. With a simple press of a button, Armor Brush applies a proper amount of toothpaste and the toothpaste's bristles begin to vibrate, cleaning all your teeth simultaneously with expert precision. Once the 10-second cycle is completed, the mouthpiece is removed and cleaned, ready for the next use. Due to the magnetic connection, the Armor Brush mouthpiece can also be easily swapped to other mouthpieces as an added convenience for other users. Armor Brush is not only a time saver but also an effective way to clean your teeth. It is gentle on your gums, reducing the risk of gum damage. Number 8. Mural Canvas 2. The Mural Canvas 2 brings the world's greatest artworks right into your home. This amazing home decor is a great way to spice up your house with your favourite photos, art and even NFTs. The Mural Canvas 2 comes with a high-resolution display that's virtually indistinguishable from a printed painting. This digital canvas comes with an 8-inch power cord, wall anchors, a wall mount and a cleaning cloth. In addition, the Mural Canvas 2 is also a smart device with intuitive motion controls that let you change and personalize your display with the wave of your hand. Furthermore, it has a USB port and a micro SD card slot. You can also use the Mural app to control your canvas remotely, selecting and scheduling your favourite pieces to display at different times of the day. Number 7. Pronto Bev. Are you tired of waiting hours for your wine to chill in the fridge? Do you hate watering down your wine with ice cubes? Then Pronto Bev is the perfect solution for you. This modern wine chiller can cool down an entire bottle of wine to the perfect temperature in just 30 seconds. Pronto Bev can be used to cool vodka, coffee, tea, lemonade, and you name it. Just pick the Pronto Bev out of the freezer, pour in your drink, and wait for 30 seconds. It also comes with a display that shows the current temperature of the device. Once you are done with your first pour, Pronto Bev can repeat the chilling process 2 more times before it needs to be returned to the freezer. Not only is Pronto Bev sleek and ergonomic, but it is constructed with wine-grade stainless steel that does not affect the taste of any beverage you put in it. Whether you're hosting a party or simply enjoying a glass at home, take out your Pronto Bev and cool your drink to the right temperature. Number 6. Squeaky clean feet. With this next gadget, say goodbye to unsightly dead skin and hello to squeaky clean pampered feet with the amazing Squeaky Clean Feet. The gentle yet firm scrubbing bristles will leave your feet feeling fresh and clean while also providing a luxurious spa-like experience. The scrubber is designed specifically with bumps and ridges that ensures your feet are properly massaged and comfortable to improve circulation and soothe your senses. This innovative sandal is made with the best materials that will gently and thoroughly scrub your feet. And don't worry about slipping or sliding in the shower, as the squeaky clean feet has suction caps on the bottom, keeping it securely in place so you can scrub away with confidence. This invention is perfect for everyone, whether you want to combat foot odour or simply enjoy a comforting foot massage. Number 5. Super Suit. The fifth invention on the list is the Super Suit, a revolutionary gaming design that takes gaming to another level. Experience the thrill of bringing games to life with this incredible piece of technology. With a variety of preloaded games and the ability to download more, the possibilities are endless. Play solo or team up with friends for an immersive multiplayer experience that you won't find anywhere else. It comes with a super glove that can shoot out beams, which you can reflect off shiny surfaces, giving you the power to strategize and build a stronger offense. Need a clear shot? No problem. Just reflect your zap and take down your opponents with ease. And the best part, you can start playing anywhere straight out of the box. No phone, computer, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection required. Get ready to unlock your superpowers and experience gaming like never before with Super Suit. Number 4. Obsidian 3D Printer. The Obsidian 3D printer is a true masterpiece of technology that will leave you in awe with its ability to transform your wildest imaginations into tangible objects. Obsidian 3D printer has a range of colours you can choose to print in, giving you the power to create visually stunning prints that truly stand out. Plus, with the Obsidian app, you can control your 3D printer remotely from your phone from anywhere in the world. The app provides an intuitive interface that lets you customize every aspect of your print, from size to the level of detail. And with the camera feature, you can watch your masterpiece take place in real time or even capture a time-lapse video to share with your friends and family. You can design your 3D models on a PC or even in virtual reality. If you can design it, the Obsidian 3D printer can print it. Number 3. Stratosphere Aquatica. Step into the future with the Stratosphere Aquatica, a groundbreaking aquatic carbon fibre sphere. This incredible futuristic design can accommodate up to 2 passengers for the ride of a lifetime. The Stratosphere Aquatica will give you an unforgettable experience like you're flying over the ocean. This patented design features an extendable foil mounted in the lower part of the sphere, which keeps the low centre of gravity and allows for easy manoeuvrability. This is also made possible by incorporating all the battery packs in the submerged part, providing maximum stability and control. And if you're feeling adventurous, the Stratosphere can also be equipped with twin 150 horsepower electric jet engines, essentially allowing it to fly above the water's surface at speeds of up to 30 knots. With this incredible speed, you'll feel like you're flying through the air, leaving everyone else in your wake. The Stratosphere Aquatica also features a self-balancing system that adapts and adjusts the sphere's inclination while piloting, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride every time. It's like having your own personal flight assistant, always keeping you safe and secure. Number 2. Shine Wind Turbine. Imagine you are out exploring the great outdoors, taking in the breathtaking views and snapping photos of your adventures on your phone. Suddenly, you hear that dreaded sound. Your phone's battery is dying. But wait, what's that in your backpack? It's a compact and lightweight Shine Wind Turbine that can harness the power of the wind to charge your phone, GPS and any other handheld electronic device. Weighing in at just 3 pounds, this little gadget is the ultimate on-the-go companion for any adventure seeker. With its sleek design and inbuilt battery, it can charge your phone up to 4 times. Gone are the days of frantically searching for an electrical outlet or carrying bulky chargers. With this turbine, all you need is a little bit of wind and you're good to go. Number 1. Splash Transformer. Finally, at number 1, there is the Splash Transformer. This is a motorbike-like electric scooter that is built to take on any terrain with ease, reaching a maximum speed of 38 kilometers an hour. Whether you're cruising down the streets or rippling through the gravel, this scooter can handle it all. With its solid steel construction and truss design, you can take on jumps, grip over snow, and navigate any terrain without a single hiccup. Plus, with its powerful electric motor, you can zip up 28-degree incline hills with ease and experience the thrill of the ride like never before. Safety is also a top priority with the Splash Transformer. The front and rear wave disc brakes provide maximum braking power without compromising on safety and stability. You can ride with confidence knowing that you have complete control over your speed and can stop on a dime if needed. Plus, with its electric motor, you'll be doing your part for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint and helping to create a cleaner, greener future. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of amazing inventions that will blow your mind and much more. Check out this video on the top left of 11 cool gadgets you haven't seen before. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.